Unhappiness arises from expectations. When you expect the world to behave a certain way, and it doesn't, you suffer. Drop expectations and simply observe. Acceptance of what is brings peace. Don't chase happiness, it is already within you. Like clouds covering the sun, your ego and desires block inner joy. Remove them through devotion and selflessness, and joy will shine naturally. Your thoughts create your reality. If your mind is filled with complaints and judgments, you will feel disturbed. Cultivate gratitude and see how calmness begins to emerge from within. Stop blaming others for your sorrow. The root of your suffering lies in your own attachments. Look within, not outward. Blaming delays healing, introspection begins transformation. Peace is not found in possessions but in surrender. No amount of wealth or achievement can still the mind. Only devotion and surrender to the divine quieten the restlessness. Peace is not the absence of problems, but the presence of God. When you feel connected to Him, outer situations lose their power to disturb you. Anchor yourself in the divine. Your mind is the biggest source of your misery. Control your mind with the rope of devotion and discipline. An uncontrolled mind wanders and suffers, a focused mind rests in bliss. Don't carry the burden of the past. Memories, regrets, and guilt poison your present. Learn to let go. Live in the now, where God resides and peace is possible. The world is ever-changing, don't look for stability in it. True stability comes only from God. If you cling to changing things, you will always be disappointed. Serve selflessly without expecting rewards. Most pain comes from unfulfilled desires. When you serve without expectations, you rise above disappointment and enter the realm of peace. The heart filled with devotion knows no sorrow. Bhakti melts ego and softens pain. It turns even suffering into sweetness. Cry for God, and all other tears will dry. Comparison is the thief of peace. When you measure your life against others, you feel less. Remember, your journey is unique. Focus inward, not outward. Time heals nothing if you hold on to pain. Healing comes when you release the grip of resentment and choose forgiveness. Let go to let peace in. Every soul is seeking peace but looks in the wrong places. It is not in fame, pleasure, or possessions. It is in union with the divine. Lust, anger, and greed are enemies of peace. They agitate the mind and darken the heart. Remove them through satsang and devotion, and serenity will follow. True renunciation is giving up inner attachments, not outer objects. You may live in a palace or a hut, what matters is your detachment. Inner freedom is the key to peace. A disturbed mind cannot hear the voice of God. Silence the inner noise through prayer, meditation, and satsang. In that silence, clarity and peace naturally arise. Don't seek revenge, seek release. The one who wronged you is already suffering in ignorance. Forgive, not for their sake, but for your own peace. Faith in God is the foundation of inner calm. Even when storms rage around you, if you trust Him completely, your heart remains still. Pain becomes suffering when you resist it. Accept pain as part of the human journey. When accepted with understanding, it loses its power to torment. Contentment is wealth. A content heart is rich beyond measure. Learn to appreciate what you have instead of craving what you don't. A restless mind runs behind 10 things and catches none. Be still, and everything you need will come to you at the right time. You cannot change others, only yourself. Trying to control others only increases frustration. Transform your mind, and the world around you will start to feel different. God's grace flows to the humble. Ego blocks His blessings. When you bow in true humility, peace follows effortlessly. Life is a drama, don't take it so seriously. Observe your roles with detachment. Act with sincerity, but know the soul is untouched by success or failure. Forgiveness liberates the soul. Holding on to grudges binds you in misery. Release others from your judgments, and you will set yourself free. Don't waste your life in complaints. Every complaint is a moment stolen from peace. Gratitude creates a bridge to the divine. Your desires are infinite, they can never be fully satisfied. Learn to desire only God. That one desire will destroy all others and bring deep peace. True strength is the ability to stay calm amid chaos. This strength comes from surrender to God, not control over circumstances. People change, situations change. Don't depend on the temporary for lasting peace. Depend only on the eternal. The heart that chants God's name cannot stay sorrowful for long. Nam is the medicine that heals all wounds and soothes all unrest. Don't take insults personally. They are a test of your ego. Let them pass like clouds in the sky. You are not what others think. When you live for others, your problems shrink. Self-centered living magnifies pain. Selfless love dissolves it. Watch your thoughts, they shape your reality. Negative thinking is a habit. Break it with prayer, gratitude, and satsang. Even suffering can be a gift if it turns you towards God. Don't curse your pain. Let it lead you inward, where real peace resides. Life is not about controlling the waves, but learning to surf. Accept the highs and lows with grace. Your anchor is within. Satsang is the mirror that shows your true self. Regular company of saints cleanses the mind and fills it with divine peace. A single moment of true surrender can erase years of inner conflict. Let go of the struggle. Let God take charge. Unhappiness often hides behind pride. Let go of the need to be right or superior. Humility brings freedom. Don't seek perfection in others. Everyone is a work in progress. Accept flaws with love, and your own heart will find peace. Be like water, adaptable, soft, yet powerful. Rigidity causes breakage. Flexibility brings flow, and in flow, peace resides. Spiritual discipline is the path to mental clarity. A scattered life leads to a scattered mind. Routine, prayer, and service bring inner order. You are not your failures. Don't wear your past like a chain. You are divine consciousness, ever pure and whole. Serve your family with love, not attachment. Attachment creates expectations. Love simply gives and lets go. No outer success can compensate for inner emptiness. Seek success in surrender, and you will never feel hollow. These are the teachings of Premanand Maharaj focused about unhappiness and finding inner peace. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe the channel and share the video. Thank you.